welcome everybody to another episode of Boat Watch here on the Manny Moto Channel down here at the Boynton Beach Inlet. Quick shout out to Corey Jackson. Thank you for watching all my videos. Today we're going to have a little fun. Stay tuned. It's another episode of the Boat Watch series here on the Manny Moto Channel. Back at everyone's favorite spot, the South Lake Worth Inlet, aka Boynton Beach Inlet. Sit back, relax, and enjoy today's presentation. Beautiful day out. 55% chance of rain there, saying, oh yeah, look at that. So, but I don't think that's going to deter anyone today. 7. The name of this guy. Alright, heading over to the bridge. We got a little bird over here. Got some prime real estate right here under the A1A overpass. The boat I haven't seen come down here in a while. Miller time. Yeah. It's really being at the right place at the right time to catch some of these fishing boats. But, alright. Miller time. Here we go. Give a wave. Maybe they wave. Yeah, we got a wave. Yes, sir. That is so funny. I was actually enjoying some Miller Lights last night before I came in. So that's kind of funny. There they go. Check out this guy. Oh, got him. Yes. Oh, that's nice. And we got our first inbounder of the morning right here. Yeah, this one is definitely choppy. Not super choppy, but definitely a little bit rough out there, it looked like. Yeah! 15 seconds of YouTube fame. Starting to feel some raindrop. Oh yeah. A lot of the little boats are coming back in, it looks like. And it seems like those rain clouds are right behind them. So we better go seeking some shelter. Gotta save the coffee. Oh no, the rain ain't stopping nobody. Here we got 2 more coming. There, alright. Yeah. Oh yeah, fun in the sun, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Manny Moto Channel. Absolutely. Alright, who's the name of this guy? One more. Oh yeah, I've seen him before. One more. Oh, there's a ton of activity this morning. On the Acosta right there, on the first day of summer, recording on this video. Dang. That guy, and I spotted this guy out there. Looks like he's coming through. Yeah. I tell you what, them rain clouds are keeping the heat. Oh, what is this guy doing? Oh, come on. Oh, man. Oh, no, wait. What's this guy doing? Oh, and there's another one coming up behind him. You see that guy? Yeah. Yeah, all right. Here we go. Here we go. It's like watching NASCAR, ladies and gentlemen. Without the commercials. Sea Fox. All right, give a wave. Good morning. That's a nice, I love that color. That's, Saturday morning is my day to come out, man. I love it. I film on Saturdays, but the videos are published on Sundays. So let me know if you like Sundays, or do you like Saturdays, or both. All right. Oh, check this guy out, man. Whoa, I have not seen this guy before. Definitely gonna give a wave. Wow, I wonder if that thing's brand new. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, you got a load of them poles. He got it. He got, what? Holy Terra. Okay. Ocean Ridge, Florida. The name of this guy. Holy Terra. That thing looks brand spanking new, right? What do you think, guys? Yeah. Got one heading back home. Patriot 2. Living on island time, and then there's two other vessels coming in behind him. So the rain has stopped. The clouds are still lingering, and I just looked out over the ocean, and there's like another big wall of rain coming this way, it looks like. I'll show you that in a second if I can get away. But here we go. Living on island time, give a wave. Are we waving? All right, we got a wave. Whoa. A little too close, but that's okay. Yeah, man. Hyperluxo. All right, we got two more coming, plus Seamus 3. I just spotted him. He's coming up the lagoon. He'll be coming through here momentarily. Yeah. At Ease, the name of this guy. And a little cobia right here. Summer in Florida is so awesome. I love it. All right, talk about this. We got Lady K coming and Miss 3. Miss 3 coming from Lady Luck coming from Lantana. Miss 3 coming from Boynton Beach. And Lady K was the giveaway vessel. Miss 3 had to yield. Lady K was the stand-on vessel, and Miss 3 had to yield, and he was the giveaway vessel. So the boat that's yielding is the giveaway vessel, and the boat that has the right-of-way is known as the stand-on vessel. Yeah. Source, Florida Atlantic University. Yeah, we're doing some studying, folks. No lie about that. All right, here we go. I'm gonna zoom out, get a good shot. Here we go. Lady K. Oh man, this is gonna be rough because we're gonna try to get both at the same time. I'm gonna stand back a little bit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost fell. Yep. A little bit closer than I like to be, but I'll take it. And Miss 3. Here we go. Yeah. I could back up a little bit, but I'm on the last step, and I was gonna get this shot. Not bad. We're getting a wave. Oh. Yeah. Very nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This guy is booking. Pedal to the metal. Full throttle, I should say. And in 4K this morning, 60 frames per second. All right, backing on up. We got two more vessels coming. You know, it's good to be able to zoom in with this phone, but can't zoom in a lot because sometimes it gets too grainy, but when a zoom is necessary, it comes in good. C Pro right there. And we got one more coming. Oh, look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Got him. Got him. That sounds like a vacuum going down the inlet there. So the rain is kind of stopping and starting again, stopping and starting again. And I want to show you out in the ocean the big wall of rain that's coming this way, that's following this rain that we just had. Let's see if we can get over to the stairs real quick. And I'll show you what I mean. You can probably see a little bit out there, but we'll get a little bit closer. There's a big wall of rain out there. I'm literally staring straight at it. Total chaos. Name of that guy. Walking up these stairs, and look at this. You can just, yeah, there it is, look. See all that rain? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming this way. You betcha. Yep. I can feel it. Might as well take a look at the beach while we're out here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Almost missed this guy. Immersed. Oh yeah. Definitely some choppy water. And this seaweed, yes. If I'm on that side of the bridge, on the ocean side, the wind just picks up. I come back on this side, and the wind is like so calm.
Manny Moto 1.
Oh. Yep, Baby O. Name of this guy, Baby O. He's coming back in.
We got Manny out here, Moto #1, doing his thing. Y'all see him? Too cool, hanging out.
Alright, thank you. I made some new friends today. That was Seth. And the other two guys, they're from Long Island. So as soon as I mentioned I was from Long Island. So cool, thank you. Welcome to the channel, and I hope you enjoy the videos. Coming up next, we got Loggerhead, diving charter coming this way. Loggerhead up next. Hey. South Florida Diving Headquarters vessel coming up next. South Florida Diving Headquarters. I still don't know what they call this boat though. I don't think they have a name for it. I'm not sure. Give a little wave. Hey, we got a wave. Man, I'm gonna have to get me a GoPro, waterproof, and some diving gear, because that looks like it might be fun as heck. Yeah, definitely some waterproof equipment for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I got 230 clips. If I was to put them all together, the video would be over an hour, and I'm pretty sure, lucky guess, no one wants to watch a video that's an hour long, including myself, so I'm going to cut it right here. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching all my videos. I'm Mr. Manny for the Manny Moto Channel Boat Watch series, most Sundays at 9 a.m. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. This one is in the books.